So, good morning, friends. Welcome to the series of Kmap. So, till the last video, um, we have reduced the function in the form of POS and SOP. We don't care. But in this particular video, the task is same. We have to reduce this function, or can say we have to find this function which is min terms and don't cares are given. But here in this particular, we have to find the POS form of the function. POS form of the function, but it is given in SOP form. Okay, so min terms are given, and it is saying that find the function in POS form. So if we draw the K map and simply put 1 at the place of 0, 1, 2 and don't cares at place of 3 and 4, we will get the answer in this form of SOP. So what we have to do to find POS form? So the trick is that whatever is given in form of min terms and whatever is given in don't cares. So apart from these, or can say the highest term in this particular is 4. So we have to represent it using three variables. Okay, highest term is 4. So we have to represent it using three variables. In three variables, maximum term is 7. So can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 1, 0, 1, 2, these are min terms, and 3, 4 are the don't care. So what are remain terms? Remain terms are 5, 6, and 7. So these are the max terms. So these are the max terms. Now the concept is the function is given as f equal to min terms of 0, 1, 2, and don't care 3, 4. So we will simply write it as product of terms, can say max terms 5, 6, 7 plus don't care will remain same. Don't care will remain same. It means to say if I have three main terms 0, 1, 2, for that we will have the max term as 5, 6, 7. So out of the collection of 0 to 7, we have to leave min terms and don't care, and whatever is left, this is the max term. Okay, so if the min term is 0, 1, 2, and two terms are don't care, that is 3 and 4, so remained is 5, 6, 7. It means 5, 6, 7 are considered in max terms, and don't care will remain same. Whatever the don't care was available with min term function will be same for the max term function. So this function can also be written as same. And the meaning of this function is same as this function, which is given in the question. Okay. So now we have to draw the Kmap for this particular, and simply we'll draw it. So three variable Kmap is required. Now question is simple. Three variable Kmap. The concept was only about the how to find the max terms from the min term function. Now the question is easy. Simply plot this particular, and we will find, okay, A, B, C for three variables here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 0, 1. So at 5, it will be 0 because now max term. Now this is a max term function, so 0 will be used, and 6 also 0, 7 also 0. 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are don't care. 3 and 4 are don't care. So now simply we'll make the grouping, and the possible grouping in this case is this 4. So for this particular, the value of function will be A is in its complementary form. So A complement, and all the terms of B and C are used, so no B and C terms. This is the only function. So I'll get the function as A complement. Okay. So this is the way of solving the question. If it is given in min terms, then we will find, first of all, we will find the max term. And for finding the max term, we will not use don't cares and min terms. Whatever is remained apart from min terms and don't cares, we will use it. Simply if I say this is the min term function, this is the min term function 0, 7, 9, 10, and don't cares are 1, 5, 6, 8. Then what will be the maximum? So maximum function will be, if this is a function 1, then the same function 2 will be whatever is remained. 0 means 1, 2 is remained, 3 is remained, 4 is remained, 5, 6 and 7 is covered, 8, 9, 10 cover, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So these terms will be covered under the max term, and the don't care is same, 1, 5, 6 and 8. So the concept is this, this f1 is equal to f2. Means it is same function. Whatever the f1 in terms of min terms, and it will be same f2 when it is represented by max terms, or the can say remaining terms are covered under max terms, which are not covered by min terms and don't cares. And don't care should be same for both the cases. So homework is to reduce this function. Okay. So I think this is enough for this particular video. Thank you.